Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 182. AMD software installer detected AMD graphic hardware in your system configuration that is not supported. So possible cause, there are three possible cause. The embedded AMD Radeon graphic, legacy AMD Radeon graphic or the old one, and customized AMD Radeon OEM systems. So the solution, you can try to visit AMD driver and support to download the AMD graphic embedded AMD Radeon driver. Here you can try to click graphic, try to search Radeon embedded, this one, and try to search your product, for example the HD series, the HD 5770 embedded one. You can submit. Here you can download based on operating system 64-bit, for example. Here we go, AMD GPU, embedded GPU and APU driver. You can easily download it here. Now for the next solution, if you have legacy AMD Radeon graphic or old graphic card, for example that listed here, this is the mobile version and this is the desktop. So for example, if you have HD 8500 or R5, R7, R9, you can choose the graphic, and legacy graphic, choose your Radeon series. For example, ATI all-in wonder, submit. Then here we go, you can download this driver. Again, if you have an old graphic card, a legacy graphic, Radeon 9000 series, ATI Radeon, submit. Here you can download the classic one, the Catalyst software set. Next, if you have the OEM system, graphics for OEM system, you can obtain the latest driver from the OEM system builder or partner manufacturer official website. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.